Hi guys, this is Engineer HB again and welcome to Derive. So, discuss lang muna tayo ng isang problem for engineering mathematics which is tungkol sa quadratic equation. So, this is the question. If tangent alpha and tangent beta are the roots of x squared minus px plus q is equal to 0, and cotangent alpha and cotangent beta are the roots of x squared minus rx plus s is equal to 0, then rs is necessarily equal to, so the question is looking for the product of the r and s that can be simplified to this set of multiple choices, which is more on the letter p and q. So, okay, so solve natin ito. So meron tayong dalawang given na quadratic equation. And meron din silang given na roots. Tagdalawa sila. So, what I'm going to write first is the relationship of roots tsaka nung equation. But first, let us write the general equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, ang relationship naman ng roots niya, meron tayong tinatawag na sum and product of the roots. So, meron tayong x1 plus x2. So, yan yung dalawang root. So, that will be equal to negative b over a. So, kunin mo lang yung value ni b tsaka ni a. Multiply mo ng negative. So, that was the sum of the roots. So, meron naman tayong tinatawag na x1, x2 or product of the roots. And that is equal to c over a. So, kunin mo lang yung value ni c. Nakuha mo na yung value ni a. So, that will be your product. Okay. So, sulat natin yung dalawang equations. So, pwede muna dito yan. So, the first equation is, ang sabi, x squared minus px plus q is equal to 0. So then, pwede natin kunin muna yung a, b, and c. So, ang letter a niya is 1. Ang b is negative p. And of course, our c is equivalent to q. So, we have also given yung roots niya, which is x1 is tangent alpha and the second root is the tangent beta. Okay? So, pwede natin kunin yung sum and product niya. So, punta muna tayo sa sum. So, that will become tangent alpha plus tangent beta. So, that is equivalent to negative b over a. So, that was negative of negative p. So, that is positive p over 1. So, that is 1. Or that is p rather. And punta naman tayo sa product of roots, which is x1 times x2. So that is equal to tangent alpha multiplied by tangent beta. And that is equal to c over a. So rc is q. Ra is 1. So that was q over 1 and that is q. So pwede natin sabihin equation 1 ito. And this is equation 2. Okay. So sa second equation naman natin na quadratic, so that is x squared minus rx plus s is equal to 0. So Ra here is 1, of course, obviously. Rb is negative r. And Rc is equivalent to letter s. And of course, ang roots daw, ang sabi, cotangent alpha, x2 is equal to cotangent beta. And similar lang sa ginawa natin dito sa first set, we're going to get the sum and product of the roots. So, sa sum muna tayo. So, that is cotangent alpha plus cotangent beta is equal to negative b over a. So, that was negative of negative r. That was positive r over 1. So, that is r. And of course, the sum of the roots is cotangent alpha, or rather product, multiply by cotangent beta is equal to c over a. So that was s over 1. And that will be simplified to s only. So we can take this as equation 3. And we can take this as equation 4. So meron na tayong 4 equations. And how we're going to do this na masisimplified to the product of R and S, which is yung hinahanap ng problem. So, paano natin siya narrow down? And of course, we all know that cotangent is equal to the reciprocal of tangent or 1 over tangent. Pwede nating sabihin na si cotangent alpha plus cotangent beta, which is happen to be our equation 3, is also equivalent to 1 over tangent alpha, kasi nga cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, plus 1 over tangent beta. And since this set is a fraction, pwede natin siyang pagsamahin or simplify. So that is equal to tangent alpha tangent beta sa ilalim and tangent beta plus tangent alpha sa numerator. And obviously, itong nilagay natin kanina is our equation 3. At ito namang nasa taas, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung naging equation 1 natin. So similar siya dyan. And this denominator is our equation 2. Meaning, dyan pala makakabuo na tayo ng relationship ng equation 1, 2, and 3. So that is, that can be simplified to, so cotangent alpha plus cotangent beta is equal to R. And that is equal to, ang equation 1 natin over equation 2, and that is P over Q. So, diyan pa lang meron na tayong letter R. So, si S na lang ang kulang natin. So, sabihin natin itong R is our equation 5. So, saan naman natin pwedeng kunin si S? So, kung ginamit natin si equation 3 kanina, pwede naman natin gamitin itong equation 4 naman. So, equation 4. So, pwede natin siyang gamitin. We all know that cotangent, again, is equal to 1 over tangent. So, pwede nating sabihin na cotangent alpha multiplied by cotangent beta is equal to 1 over tangent alpha multiplied by 1 over tangent beta. Or simply 1 over tangent alpha tangent beta. At kung mapapansin nyo guys, this cotangent alpha multiplied by cotangent beta, pwede natin sabihin siya ay represented by S kasi nga ito yung product niya. Cotangent alpha multiplied by cotangent beta is equal to S and equivalent to 1 over tangent alpha tangent beta. We all know that the denominator is tangent alpha tangent beta, and that product is equivalent also to Q. So we can say that S is equal to 1 over Q. So that will do for our equation 6. So parehas na tayong may R tsaka S. So we will just simply multiply that 2 and we're going to get the answer. And isa dito sa 5 yun. So makikita natin kung ano yun. So multiply 5 and equation 6. So R times S is equal to P over Q multiplied by 1 over Q, and that is equivalent to P over Q squared, which is happen that siya ay letter C. So again, RS daw is equal to P over the square of Q. Okay, so medyo tricky yung question, pero kung alam mo yung mga basic, makukuha mo. So that's why it is important na ma-master mo yung basic at ma-practice na din. So ayun lang guys, this for today's video, and salamat sa pakinig. Kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod na videos that I will upload. Thank you and good night.